Good morning, children. Today I am going to take English grammar. The first chapter is nouns. It's just a revision. You have already studied about nouns in your earlier class, that is class 4. Now, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Roy. Roy is a noun. It denotes a person. Tiger. Tiger is a noun because it is an animal. Next, we move on to proper noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person or place. I am repeating. A proper noun is the name of a particular person or place. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Some examples are Mala, Chennai, Ranipet, Arul, etc. The next noun is a common noun. What is a common noun? A common noun is the common name of a person, place, animal, or thing belonging to the same class. Belonging to the same class. Example, girl, temple, boy, book, etc. Now, the next noun is, what is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name given to a group of persons, animals, or things of the same kind. Keep this in mind. It is a name given to a group of persons, animals, or things of the same kind. Example, herd, crowd, class, bunch, etc. Now we are going to see what is an abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, or state which cannot be seen or touched. Example, truth, wisdom, honesty, poverty, etc. The last noun we are going to see is material noun. What is a material noun? A material noun is the name of a material or substance from which things are made. Example, cotton, milk, gold, wool, etc. Now, children, let us do an exercise on nouns. State what kind of nouns the following are. This exercise, you have to do it in your grammar notebook. I am repeating. This exercise, you have to do it in your grammar notebook. The heading will be state what kind of nouns the following are. You will write one below the other. I have written it side by side, but you have to write the nouns one below the other. The first one, China. What noun is China? China is the name of a particular place. So it is a proper noun. Bunch. A bunch of flowers. So it is a collective noun. Honesty. It is the character of a person which you can't see. So it is an abstract noun. Honey. Honey is a material. We make so many things from honey. Dog. What noun is dog? Dog is a common noun. Vellore, a name of a place, particular place. So, it is a proper noun. Family, a group of persons. So, collective noun. Childhood, this is your stage. So, childhood is abstract noun. Goat, it is the common noun. And the last one, the 10th one is kindness. Another example of abstract noun. Okay, thank you, children. Please see that you do the exercise I have given you in your classwork note. I will tell you about the correction later.